Hello and welcome to the Apple Classroom Lock, Unlock, and Mute Student iPads video tutorial. First, locate the Apple Classroom app and give it a tap. You will be taken to your list of available Apple Classroom classes. Here, for demonstration purposes, I'm using my grade pre-K to 12 Apple Classroom. The icons at the top to control locking and unlocking the student iPads are seen represented by this padlock. Once tapped, you will receive on your teacher device a confirmation menu showing that student iPads have been locked. A student's iPad screen will show a similar message. On your teacher device, you will see a thumbnail version of a locked student iPad screen. You could have also tapped on an individual student and tapped here on lock to just lock one student's iPad. And again, you would receive an individual message. Next, when it comes time to unlock student iPads, looking towards the top right menu, right up here, you can see a picture of an unlocked padlock. This is the icon to tap on to unlock the entire class's set of iPads. To unlock an individual student's, tap on their name and tap on the individual unlock padlock seen here. In either case, you will see a confirmation menu pop up once the action is performed. Next, when looking back at your menu, the speaker with the slash through it represents muting the entire class of devices. Here, you can also mute just an individual student by tapping on their name first. Then, on their individual menu, tap here on the mute icon. Thank you.